and sick of all the small town talking.
Hi beautiful igboticnonos, welcome back to my channel. This is a girl igboticnono. Please, if you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe video and turn on the bell notification to be notified anytime I post a new video, guys. Please subscribe, let's grow this channel, guys. In today's video I'm going to be telling you guys, of course teaching you guys few things you have to know in Igbo, and of course the translation in English language. Most often we use these words in Igbo language, starting from what is good morning to what is good afternoon to what is good evening, and other words that are very important you should also know in Igbo language. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. And one here is Ụtụtụ ọma to Oma. Ụtụtụ ọma is good morning. Ụtụtụ ọma is good morning. Ụtụtụ ọma, good morning. Ehihie ọma. Ehihie ọma is good afternoon. Ehihie ọma is good afternoon. Ehihie ọma is good afternoon. Mgbede ọma. Mgbede ọma is good evening. Mgbede ọma, good evening. Mgbede ọma, good evening. Abalị ọma, good night. Abalị ọma, good night. Abalị ọma, good night. Onye nsogbu, troublemaker. Onye nsogbu, troublemaker. Onye nsogbu, troublemaker. Onye nsogbu, troublemaker. Ajọ mmadụ, bad person. Ajọ mmadụ, bad person. Ajọ mmadụ, bad person. Ajọ mmadụ, bad person. Ezigbo mmadụ. Ezigbo mmadụ, good person. Ezigbo mmadụ, good person. Ezigbo mmadụ, good person. Ajụla m, don't ask me. Somebody asks you questions and you're not in the mood to answer. You're like, ajụla m. Ajụla m, don't ask me. Ajụla m, don't ask me. Onye okwu na ụka. Onye okwu na ụka, troublemaker. 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 Onye oringo, enjoyment minister. I don't know other minister in it. Onye oringo, enjoyment person. Onye oringo, enjoyment person. Person that likes enjoyment. Somebody that likes enjoyment. Just tell the person, ha! Onye oringo. Onye oringo, enjoyment person. Onye oringo, enjoyment person. Kambia, I'm coming. Kambia, I'm coming. Kambia, I'm coming. You're in the house, somebody calls you, you're like, Kambia. You're going out, somebody says, please come. Kambia. Kambia, I'm coming. Kambia, I'm coming. Kambia, I'm coming. Kambia, I'm coming. I'm coming means Kambia. Ngwabido, okay, start. 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 So thank you guys. This brings me to the end of this video. So this brings me to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please, if you have not subscribed yet, please try to do so. And also, like I always tell you guys, save this video in your watch later and consistently play it. It's going to go a long way for you. Also, just try to rephrase or refresh your memory with what we just learned just now, like Otso Oma, good morning, Ehihi Oma, good afternoon, Mgbede Oma, good evening, Abale Oma, good night. Just try to refresh it. Onye Oringo, enjoyment person. Ezigbo mmadụ, good person. Ajọ mmadụ, bad person. These are all the lessons we learned today. Of course, I translated them. I showed you guys vividly on the screen so that you can know the spelling and you can know the pronunciation as I go. Yes, you can follow my lips as I say these things so that you can help you to sync your lips as well with it. Yes, you can sync your lips because you sync lips with TikTok videos and other things. So syncing lips with my video shouldn't be a problem as well. Yes, thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Do have a lovely day. Bye.